Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be the final video in the roof series, and it's going to be a fun video because today I'm putting the roof on. Before that, let me show you something fun. If you're like me and you grew up watching The Simpsons, then this will be really interesting. This is a signed picture of Homer Simpson, or rather the guy that does the voice for Homer Simpson, Dan Castellaneta. Look him up on YouTube.
With you, Dan. Do you mind if we take a little stroll through all the different characters?
Yes.
Can you give us a little Homer, maybe?
Yeah, all right, a little Homer.
Then, of course, there's Krusty the Clown.
All right, Krusty.
I love late night. You can say anything. The cacta.
Grandpa Simpson, what are you people doing in my room? And of course, there's a mayor.
Anyways, my wife got me this for my birthday. Very nice of her. She knows me so well. All right, let's get to Matilda. So, I have got a bunch of gasket pieces. This is soft foam, like a matte material. And before I put the hard roof on, I need to cushion the pillars and the struts with this matting material. It's sort of soft rubber foam. In a way it's weather stripping, in a way it's so that the top doesn't rattle when I drive on the road. Alright, to stick the cushioning material, I'm using this yellow super weather strip and gasket adhesive. It's a nice big tube. Hopefully I don't finish all of it, so I can use it for the rest of the weather stripping. Time to get the roof on. Look how good that looks. Pretty solid, right? Paint's dried. The whole thing's coated. Straight, leveled. Let's do this. So tomorrow I'm going to finish the last few bolts up there, and I'm going to drive it around the block once and see if there are any rattles or shakes. But I don't think so. I think I've done a pretty good job. It's looking pretty sexy. And after part 3, I'll have a separate video where I paint the roof and the hood. Look at that, the hood really needs some work. A few cracks and it needs a camo respray. Hey guys, so it's been a busy evening. I've been busy doing the center seam. So originally I wanted to brace them using those alumi weld rods from Harbor Freight, but I realized that the soft material was just under there. So if I use the butane torch, I might melt it and the roof might sag along the center. Didn't want that. So I used the gasket sealant and I riveted the entire strip from beginning to end, front to back. Hopefully that holds and should be okay. Once it's painted, I think it'll look okay.